Welcome, sixth graders. Wow, you made it. You worked so hard in fifth grade and now you are part of middle school. And I get to be your teacher, so I'm really excited. Welcome to all of you, and I'm really looking forward to spending the next year with you learning and just seeing where we can go from here. Okay, so this year you'll be doing math and language arts, social studies, science, and your elective will be career exploration. So that's just helping you start to think about what is it you're going to be doing once you're finished with school. And I know many of you have some dreams, and I'm really looking forward to hearing about them. Our calendar, if this is too small for you to read, don't worry, I've included one in the email. All right, this year I'm very excited to tell you that we are using a new curriculum. It's called Edgenuity, and I think you're really going to like it. You can start logging in now. The only thing is you will not be able to start your courses until you've completed the mandatory orientation video. And I have the link in the email, but you can also open up this presentation and click on this picture, and it will also take you to the link for the orientation. Okay, so remember, you have to do that in order to start your lessons. All right, just some very quick tips on how to be successful this year. Remember, you signed a master agreement, and in that master agreement, you agreed to attend school every single day. And in addition to that, you do have to complete and submit work every single day. And by every single day, I mean Monday through Friday. Don't forget to be organized. Come up with a schedule that works for you and then stick to it, because middle school is pretty busy and you may have some extracurricular activities. So you have to figure out how you're going to fit all of those things into your day. Don't forget to stay on top of your grades. Make sure that when you check into Edgenuity that you're looking to be on track. On track means you're blue. And if you're ahead, you'll be green. If you're in the red, then you need to catch up. Okay, and I'll help you with all of that. Make sure you're responsible with technology. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that there's some stuff out there that once you see it, you cannot unsee it. So watch where you go on the internet. And besides, if you're so busy doing things for school, there shouldn't be too much time to go exploring on the internet. All right, and make sure you get your parents' permission wherever you go. And just remember, these are some expectations. I'm not going to read them. You all know how to read, but it is important that you read them so that you can sign them, because there will be a signature sheet for you and your parents to sign off on these. All right. And I just want to remind you that as your teacher, I'm going to support you as much as I can. I am on team you. So I'm always going to be here to cheer you on. I'm going to support you. I'm going to have your back. And I promise you that you should never, ever feel alone. So if you do, reach out to me. All right? All right, boys and girls. Actually, I can't call you boys and girls anymore because you're too grown up for that. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to sixth grade and welcome to my classroom. I can't wait to see you all in person next week.